Well, the active winter continues. Looks like we have another winter storm on the way. This one affecting mainly areas to the west of the divide, but there will be some effects to the east as well. Start to take a look at any of the winter storm warnings in effect. All this area in pink pretty much is a winter storm warning. This is going to be a long-lasting event. This winter storm warning is in effect through Wednesday night. Yes, you heard that right, Wednesday night. So all the way 72, 84 hours. There will be periods of snow. It's not going to snow the whole time, but there will be several periods of snow. We'll get to the details on that in just a moment. And also, we have concerns about wind. Again, high wind warnings were issued basically anywhere from, say, the Rattlesnake Range out through Casper. Happens even tonight, some very strong wind gusts around Casper. Last night, some gusts over 75 miles per hour at Outer Drive. Even the airport gusting to around 60 miles per hour. And I wouldn't be surprised to see some high winds again. Favorite areas up here in the Cody foothills around Clark could be a high wind event there, maybe late Monday into Monday night. And the forecast maximum wind gusts, this is through Monday at 5 p.m. You see the strongest areas again, southwestern wind corridor right here. Casper again. A little bit of a lull today. The wind should come down during the day today, but come up again, I think, as we head towards Sunday night, especially late at night, say about midnight to about 6 or 7 a.m. Could be some very strong wind gusts there, maybe 70, maybe over hurricane force, 75, 80 miles per hour at times. You see also across the mountains. Another area up here around the Cody foothills, again, we may need some kind of a high wind highlight across this area to the west of Cody. And I know you're asking me, how much snow are we going to get? This isn't a misprint, folks. That's a lot of snow. Like, granted, it's going to fall over several days. But some areas across the western mountains here, 3 feet, locally higher amounts across the Tetons, as well as the Salt and Wyoming range. Even the valley is going to see a lot of snow out of this as well. So Jackson Valley, 10 to 20 inches, maybe locally higher amounts, especially up toward Moose and Moran. Now, one thing I want to advise, down here across the south here, say the I-80 corridor here, there will be a little bit of snow here, but especially as we head toward late today, Sunday night, even into the first part of Monday. There will be some warmer air starting to work its way in from the south. So some areas down here, even up toward Big Piney and even Afton, could see a little bit of rain-snow mix during that time as some warmer air moves in. But by the time we get to Monday afternoon, everything should turn back over to snow and remain snow for the rest of the event. So as far as the timing of the heaviest snowfall, again, mainly light snow around today once we get into the daylight hours. But there will be a period of heavy snow tonight all the way through most of Monday. Then a break. Second period comes in probably during the day on Tuesday. And the final one Wednesday into Wednesday night. By Thursday, we should see some improvement as high pressure tries to build into the area. So as far as any impacts from the storm, again, significant snow over western Wyoming, some places up to seeing feet. Warming trends, some areas could see a rain-snow mix, mainly across southern areas, mainly, say, Rock Springs, maybe up toward the Afton area south of an Afton to, say, Farson line. As far as any wind, high winds are very likely across southeastern Fremont County as well as Natrona County. Again, worst times probably later Sunday night into the first part of Monday. And strong winds also possible in the Cody foothills, especially Monday afternoon through Monday night. Outdoor activity, again, there could be a very high threat for avalanches probably through the period here. Make sure you check out this website for details on that. And as far as travel, again, give those problems for the wind-blown vehicles, high-profile vehicles in the wind-prone areas. And across the west, again, Teton Pass as well as the Snake River, Hopeback Canyons may need to close for temporary avalanche control. And again, travel very difficult to cross there, especially during those periods of heavy snow. And I want to bring up a few resources. Once again, here's the for the latest forecasting at weather.gov/RIW. And as far as any road conditions or closures, again, these are the places to go. Don't call us. We don't know anything about the roads that these people don't know. WyoRoad.info on the web. If you're in Wyoming, dial 511. Out of state, 188 Wyo Road. That's 188 Wyo Road. Sound like a TV pitch man now, but those are the numbers. One more thing I want to bring up is a really great resource we locally developed here, our webcams by route. Anywhere in Wyoming, just click on these icons here. You can get just about any place in the state with a webcam. You can see what the road conditions are, whether it's like this or it's like this. Here's the webcam address. It's kind of long. You can go to our webpage, weather.gov/RIW, go under local programs and the webcam page, just right under that menu. Safe travels, everybody, and be safe.